Hello, guys, welcome to your very own channel, The Techie Traveler.
So today we are going to unbox the boAt Rockerz 255 Pro Plus Bluetooth headphone. Let's look at the main features of the headphone first. It has the signature sound quality, then the passive noise cancellation, and it comes with a Type-C charging interface. It can connect to two devices, 10 mm dynamic driver, a magnetic lock, and the best part is the jumbo battery of 300 mAh that gives a backup up to 40 hours and a fast charging, which I consider as a prime quality in the headphone. It is also equipped with IPX sweat and water resistance. Okay, let's proceed to the unboxing. First look is good. Let's see what the accessories have with it. Okay, there is the main headphone manual, then an extended warranty card, and common boAt product catalog, a small I am boAt sticker as usual, extra earbuds of small and large size, and finally the Type-C charging cable. Let's take out the headphone now. Cable quality seems to be very good as always. I like boAt in that segment, and earpiece is nicely curved to fit properly. Neckband has engraved boAt logo on both the sides. Band quality is also a class 1 due to its curves that gives perfect fitting, and a slight downward bend also gives us the good control over the bend. Mic is separated from the neckband, and it has 3 buttons: volume, plus, minus, and the call connect. This call connect button can be used for play pause of media also. And mic box is also having the charging socket of Type-C. The quality seems to be very good. Here is the magnetic lock of earpieces, which is why hanging on the neck is quite comfortable. Altogether, the headphone seems very good quality wise, and a nice product at this range. So go for it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. This is Raj signing off for today.